and in this video I'm gonna show you 5 best affiliate marketing course in the world for beginners. So if you are looking for what are the best affiliate marketing course so you can learn about affiliate marketing, then yes, this video is for you. In this video I'm gonna show you exactly what are the 5 best affiliate marketing course in the world for beginners that you can go and check out, right? But guys, before telling you this, guys, I just want to say that guys, I have my own ebook that is Affiliate Commission Secrets, and in that ebook I have also revealed how you can start your affiliate marketing business step by step, right? So yes, if you want to read this ebook, then yes, down below there is a link, go and check out, right? So okay, now here without any delay, let me show you what are the 5 best affiliate marketing course that you can go and check out, right? So okay, now here first one is Affiliate Bootcamp, ClickFunnels Affiliate Bootcamp. Guys, this is one of the best affiliate marketing course that you can go and check out, and good thing is that this course is absolutely free, guys. So in this course, guys, you can say there are 15 super affiliates, and they have revealed their own strategy that what they will do to build their own affiliate marketing business step by step. And these 15 affiliates, super affiliates, are 6 to 7 figure earner, and they all are ClickFunnels Dream Car winner, right? So yes, down below I will put the link so that you can go and check out, right? And other one is, guys, it's a Legendary Marketer by Dave Sharp. So yep, this is another program that you can go and check out. It is one of the best affiliate marketing course, right, where you are going to learn how you can start your profitable online business. Actually, they have their you can say 15 days online business builder challenge, so right? So in that training you are going to learn that how you can build your affiliate marketing business step by step. And guys, one more thing, if you become their affiliate, then yes, you have, you can say, opportunity to make high ticket commission. Actually, it's a high ticket commission program, guys, right? So yep, if you want, you can go and check out. And yes, to join, it's a 15 days online business builder challenge. You need to invest $7. So it's a one-time investment, right? But yes, as you go through this you can say this program, then yes, at the back end there are high ticket programs. So it's up to you if you want to join or not, right? So yep, you can go and check out this Legendary Marketer, right? This is second one. Third one is Work with Sebastian program. It is another program where you are going to learn about affiliate marketing, right? And this program is by 7-figure earner Sebastian Gomez, right? He is also ClickFunnels Dream Car winner, right? And for that you need to invest $9 per month, right? So yep, if you want to learn about affiliate marketing step by step, then yes, you can also go and check out this Work with Sebastian program, guys, right? And you can see $9 per month, right? So yep, you can go and check out this program. And good thing is that in this program you are going to learn about, like, you know, everybody knows that how to do affiliate marketing. Most people know that how to do affiliate marketing, and they have their own product, but they don't know how to get traffic, right? So yep, in this program you are going to learn both strategies, free as well as paid, right? Especially if you want to promote from Facebook, then yes, you are going to learn free strategy that how you can promote your affiliate stuff from Facebook as well as doing Facebook ads, right? So yep, you can go and check out. And yes, they have also, you can say, high ticket program at the back end. So yep, if you want to make high ticket commission, then yes, you can go and check out this Work with Sebastian program. And there is another, it's a Partner with Anthony, guys. He's also, you can say, 7-figure earner and ClickFunnels Dream Car winner, right? So yep, you can go and check out this program, and for that you need to invest $7, right, per month, right? And yes, he has also, you can say, high ticket program at the back end, right? And he has also great training. If you want to check it out, yep, down below I will put the link, you can go and check out, right? And there is another program, It's Aversity. It's a program by, you can say, Sin Bagheri. He's also a 8-figure earner, 7-figure earner, right? So he's also super affiliate. So this training, you can say, in this program you are going to learn about affiliate marketing, plus you have an opportunity to make high ticket commission, right? So yep, if you want, you can go and check out this Aversity program by Sin Bagheri, right? Yes, he has also, you can say, other program that you can promote, like in different niches. Let me show you, like done for your online business, right? This is one of the program, and there is another silver masterclass. This is another program, inner circle masterclass program, right? And there is another, the gold masterclass program, right? So platinum masterclass, Aversity 1, right? This is another program that you can go and check out. And yes, you can also check out this one. By the way, I will put the link, you can go and check out, right? So here different courses, guys, high ticket commissions, like just a minute. Platinum, Aversity 1, and yes, this one. Like if you want to promote any, like, you know, ClickBank products, then yes, you can go with that program, that course. And niche blogging success, yeah, this is especially for you can say the person who wants to build his own niche website, right? So yep, this program is for that one, right? Home business bootcamp, YouTube traffic master, right? So yep, if you want to know how to get traffic, if you want to get the mastery on YouTube, then yes, this program is for you. Then there is a top level affiliate. It is specially designed for affiliate. Solo ads mastery program, never losing crypto formula. Yeah, if you are into crypto, then yes, this is for you. 5-page profit sites. This is another program, right? 3 steps online business. This is another online business Kickstarter. 4 hours to success. This is another course. Online business boot camp, and then high ticket bootcamp. So you can see there are, you can say, so many courses with this Aversity program. So based on your needs, based on your requirements, you can pick any program, right? And yes, if you want to become the affiliate of this, then yes, you need to pay around $9 per month, right? And then you will be having opportunity to promote this same exact program, and yeah, you will be able to make high commission. It's like, you know, 50% in front end products, and around, you can say, 30 or 35% for high ticket program, right? So yep, guys, you have an opportunity, guys. If you want to promote this, then yes, it's up to you. Down below I will put the link, you can go and check out, right? So yes, guys, these are the 5 programs that you can go and check out if you want to learn about affiliate marketing, guys, right? And if you want to make affiliate commission, then yes, these are the same program, guys, that you can go and promote, guys, right? And yes, guys, here one thing I always say, guys, before promoting any program, first you go through the program, and when you find that yes, it's a great program to promote, you are finding great you can say value in this program, then yes, go and start promoting it. Never ever promote anything just for the sake of making money, guys, right? First you go through the program, and when you see that yeah, there are some great training, then yeah, you can go and check out, right? You can go and start promoting that very program, guys, right? So yep, again, it's a one Aversity, then partner with Anthony program, you can go and check out, right? It's by Anthony Mauritian, right? For that you need to invest $7 per month, and then there is a work with Sebastian program. For that you need to invest $9 per month, and then there is another legendary marketer by Dave Sharp, right? That you can go and you can say promote. Here you can see Dave Sharp has been featured in Forbes and Entrepreneur magazine, right? You can go and check out, right? It's you can say a high ticket program. Yeah, you can go and check out. And yes, you are also going to learn about affiliate marketing, and there is, yeah, this one is free, guys, right? So yep, if you don't have budget, guys, then yes, you can go and check out this affiliate bootcamp program by Russell Brunson, right? In this there are, you can say, 15 super affiliates, they have revealed their strategy, guys, right? So if you want to learn about affiliate marketing and different strategies of super affiliate, then yes, this program is for you guys. Right down below I will put the link so that you can go and check out. Right, guys? So yes, guys, this is all about for today, right? And yes, if you have any questions, then yes, you can ask your questions, guys, right? And yes, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then yes, down below there is a red button, go and subscribe to my channel. And yes, there is also bell notification button, go and click on that bell so that you can get the notification about my upcoming training that are related to affiliate marketing, right? So yes, guys, this is all about today, right? So thank you so much for watching. Love you, have a nice day. Bye bye.